G'day YouTube, Warbles on a lot here. As it were foretold, within the prophecy, I have been hatching a plan, perhaps a plot, to make for myself a new chainsawn doorstep. Of the front variety. Two versions thereof. Warbles on a lot to YouTube. Now it's time for me to sit there in that, feeling pretty happy, and drinking the coffee which I'm just about to make, which my squalid little hovel and bachelor cooking skills is about to imminently yield. With refrigerated milk. And now, as it approaches 1400 of the hours, I might even have breakfast. Isn't it great? Small pizza box actually fits. And regard the satisfaction of a minor subcomponent of a major project coming to fruition. It's really easy, you see. All you got to do is start with an already dead tree lying down, helps. Sharpen the teeth on your chainsaw, and then it's really easy, you see. Take your tree and cut away anything and everything that fails to look just quite right as being part of a brand new front step. And once you do it once, right, then you can go and do it again, because the essence of being alive is apparently replication. Warbles on a lot to YouTube. Ciao.